Anti-fouling. Anti-foulings must be handled, mixed and applied with care. It's recommended to sand the surface prior to the application of anti-fouling, as this will achieve better adhesion when the anti-fouling is applied. If you're going to sand, the surface should always be wet. Anti-foulings such as All-Star Gold label should never be sanded dry due to the toxic nature of the paint. Previous anti-fouling can be removed by scraping or applying an anti-fouling stripper. This tends to soften the old anti-fouling, but still needs to be scraped. It can also be removed by blasting, which is the easiest option. The best way of protecting people is to work in a way that keeps most of the staff away from any contact with the paint spray or dry spray. Protective clothing should be worn by anyone who'll come into contact with the paint spray or dry spray. During spraying, the only people in the area should be the spray hand and his assistant or cherry picker driver. Potmen and any supervisory staff should remain upwind of the spraying area. The best working practice during spraying is to mark out an exclusion zone with cones and tapes, keep everyone out of the zone except the application team, and keep everyone upwind of the sprayer. Once spraying's been completed, there are a few points to remember. The dry spray should be removed to reduce exposure and should not be allowed to blow around in the open air. If dry spray has to be removed from painted areas, this should be done by gentle brushing. It should not be blown off with air. Any areas where dry spray can fall or blow onto people should be hosed down and dampened with water before removal of the dry spray. Dry spray should also be swept and removed from the dock bottom while it's still damp. There are a few points to remember when applying anti-foulings. Do wear a second disposable overall with a hood. Wear an overall with full-length sleeves and legs. Keep the buttons and zips done up and the hood over your head. Wear long-sleeve gloves and boots. Make sure there are no gaps or exposed skin at wrists and ankles. Wear a full face mask or half-mask goggles and barrier cream. Keep everyone out of the area except the application team. After application is finished, hose down overspray on staging, propeller wrappings, etc. with water and remove. Wash before eating, drinking or smoking. Shower before going home or as soon as possible if in contact with paint or dry spray. Throw away your disposable overall every day. Wash your face mask and inside your helmet every day. Wear a clean overall and helmet sweatband every shift. And replace your gloves as soon as the inside looks dirty. Do not allow paint or dry spray to come into contact with your skin.